Okay, and so the packaging for this is really simple. It just comes in this really small bag, and we'll just open this up. There it is. And we also get a USB cable as well, because it is USB powered, and you get like some notes and warranty stuff. But this is all that comes with it. Super small and compact, and right here is where your cables go into. So your audio video cables goes in right here, and then on the back there is an HDMI output, so you do need an HDMI cable. And then there's also a switch from 1080p to 720p, which is nice. And then this is where the USB power goes into. So very simple, but this should allow you to use your older consoles with AV connections and pipe this into your computer or device. So I'm going to show you something that I'm doing for the first time. So typically all my game recordings are done through my computer, especially retro gaming. But now I'm going old school by using original hardware. So as you can see here, I have my GameCube, and the game that we have running is of course Zelda Ocarina of Time. Legendary game, absolutely love it. And the way I'm doing it is through right here. I actually have a AV to HDMI converter. So the AV cables go here. There's the HDMI cable, and the HDMI cable goes out into my video capture card. And with this, I could actually have it output to a TV, monitor, and of course to my computer. So this is really awesome, and if I can actually record more gameplay from original hardware, then this is definitely going to be an exciting time. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.